In this article, let's see how to set up conditional logic with Enroll form questions. In the drop-down menu, click on My Company. In the top navigation bar, select Forms. In the drop-down under Forms, click on Enroll Form. Click the plus button at the end of the section. Enter the label, choose the field type, then click Add. Click the up-down arrow on the left side of the field label, then choose the field you want to nest it inside of by clicking the down arrow on the right. Click the setting icon on the child field, and you will see an Only Show If option. Check the box, then mark what the answer should be in the previous question from the choices. You can also click the down arrow to add a child field under that field. Be sure to check the conditional box and the previous field answer. Click the Preview button to see how your fields will look on the Enroll form. Answer the questions to see if your conditional fields show up as you want them.